Hey, nice to meet you, Mr. Brown. But you don't look brown. It's my name. Oh, sorry. It's alright. Please come this side. Please.
Okay.
I am known for the best tour guide in India, Mr. Brown. I will show you each and every nook and corner of this place. You can take pictures. And if you take 5 steps towards this side, so then you can see the Taj Mahal. That is over there. Take pictures. I wait over here.
Show me your bagage. Your balls very big out in you. Out your clock.
Are they trying to?
I want
No,
to
this
suck
is a
your
very
balls.
common thing. Like this is always happening around here.
Shut the fuck up, Rajesh. Come on. We gotta go and help
Are
her.
yaar, wait. Like
I kiss your panty. Boobs are awesome.
there are like 6 guys over here and they probably have knife. Look. One is taking out knife.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie. I'm a little bit scared, bro. Look, there's like 6 of them. I can't fight them all alone, bro.
And I am not helping you.
What the fuck is it?
Live streaming on Facebook. It's very common.
I mean, come, there's like the 2 of us.
Calm
Come
down,
on, we can
Mr.
follow
Brown.
these dudes. Come on.
Like this is not your business. Like I mean I could go there and try and help her, but those guys, I think they are rock hard and I don't want any penetration today. So you best leave it, Mr. Brown. Like this shit always happen. It's very common. Look, there is the
Man,
task.
fuck you, Rajesh, man. Fuck you, man. Shaktiman is very disappointed in you.
Mr. Brown.
Man, fuck you. I'm going in.